Hello everyone, Samantha here. I pray all is well with you. This is just a quick video. I want to show how I'm jazzing up this card a little bit using something called Wink of Stella. I've had this Wink of Stella for a long time, and I pulled it out for something today, and I thought, let me put it on a card. So far I put some, and you can see how it gives it this shimmer glitter effect. And so it's like this brush on sparkle glitter shimmer. It doesn't add any dimension, it just adds that sparkle. So you see how this one right here is very plain, and I'm gonna hold it up. I'm gonna use a Wink of Stella. I've used this before in a video like 3-4 years ago. Let me put it down. I'm having a hard time doing it as it's up. Yeah, this is just a really quick. I just thought this would be nice to share, you know, because my card, well, it was kind of plain, which I didn't mind because I wanted to use a stamp. But when I used this earlier for something, and then I looked over, I saw the card, I said, let me try this, and then put it down. I actually was hoping that this wasn't dried out when I picked it up today, because I haven't used a Wink of Stella in a very long time. And so let me hold that up now so you can see. See? Look at the difference. And I'm not contending with any glitter falling off. So like that. Do this last one up here. I'm going to go ahead and venture to do this label and see what happens. Just gives it a little something more, you know? I like that. Okay, let me see what will happen if I put some on the card here. Yeah, give it a nice little effect there. You see, I'm gonna hold it up so you can see it better, because depending upon you know, the angle is gonna be hard to see, but once I hold it up you'll be able to see it better. See, I can even see it better going on, to be honest with you. I like this label part. Okay, so look. Yeah, there we go. You see it? I want to make sure that you can see the label, the glitter on the label. There we go. Yeah, that's better right there. Yeah, okay, that's kind of cool. Yes, I thought they'd come on and share that. So that's it. Sometimes it's those little things that make a big difference with something, right? Let's see. That's how my camera is. I'm gonna fix this thing. Webcam. Okay. So that's it. So with that being said, I want to say thanks for watching. God bless you, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye-bye.